Hello, and welcome to this quick guide on changing the language in the Investing.com app on your mobile device. Whether you're new to the app or just prefer a different language, this video will walk you through each step to switch languages easily and quickly, so let's get started. Step 1. Open the Investing.com app on your mobile phone. Step 2. At the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on More. This will open the main menu with additional options. Step 3. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the flag icon. A list of available languages will appear. Scroll through the list and select the language you prefer. Once selected, the app will automatically switch to the new language. Navigate back to the home screen, and you'll now see everything displayed in the language you chose. Thanks for watching. Changing the language on Investing.com is simple once you know where to look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tutorials just like this one.